'Cause I wanna party loud. If I ever did that, I think I'd have a heart attack. Did you have to do this? I was thinking that you could be trusted. Did you have to ruin what was shiny? Now it's all rusted. Did you have to hit me where I'm weak? Baby, I couldn't breathe and rub it in so deep. Salt in the wound like you're laughing right at me. Oh, it's so sad to think about the good times you and I. Baby, now we got bad love. You know we used to be mad love. So take a look what you've done. 'Cause baby, now we got bad love. Now we got problems, and I don't think we can solve them. You made a really deep cuts, and baby, now we got bad. I think I'd have a heart attack. I think I'd have a heart attack. I think I'd have a heart attack. Did you think we'd be fine? Still got scars on my back from your knife, so don't think it's in the past. These kind of wounds, they last and they last now. Did you think it all through? All these things will catch up to you, and time can heal, but this